Zandile akamthembi Vacu, but continues to listen to his instructions and gives Umbuso the concoction to drink. Mamnomsa breaks up with her boyfriend, Ujafta, and Jafta turns out to be brother ka Rebecca. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So Umbuso woke up in the morning with a terrible headache, saying he does not remember what happened. Sandile is shocked with how Kumbulu and lies to him about how last night was fire. But Umbuso is blank. And then Umzandile tells Butwake Utsi, yo, I'm so worried about this concoction because after drinking it, Umbuso wow and Jovel was giligitsi pants wow. So Butwake is like, but if this thing was dangerous, then kube mhlambe kuba kavukanga mos. So since uvukile, it means ayinabungoti. But Zandi is also worried because akamthembi Vacu, does not trust Vacu at all, and tries to speaks to Vacu. Vacu pressures her to continue giving Umbuso a concoction. He's saying that this is the last request labamcela yona bakangwenya. Avume ke Zandile while saying that akamthembi Vacu, still continues to mix up the concoction and gives it to Umbuso to drink. At first, Umbuso was hesitant, saying that most this thing caused me a terrible headache, being right, why should I continue drinking it? But Zandile lies to him, saying that, remember, we want to conceive. And then hearing that Umbuso drinks the concoction. And because the Sangoma said that if he drinks a lot of it, then he's going to lose his mind. So because they've been giving a high proportion to Umbuso, Umbuso is now losing his mind. And if I went abom, because the Sangoma, when he said, if you take too much, you're going to lose your mind, he gave Zandile the measurement so that Umbuso can lose his mind, so that yena connects up course bakangwenya. And then Mamnomsa is busy, man, daydreaming about isoka lakhe Ujafta. She gets a message, good morning, darling. She's busy daydreaming about the date they had, watching the sunrise. Nogutu Ujafta kissed her on the forehead. Joe is smitten. And then she meets Ujafta along the way. And thinks this whole thing, man, it's just too good to be true. Jeminangaza ngaba lucky with men. So this thing feels wrong. Something is wrong, Alentole. Something just feels like too good to be true. And decides to call things off. Mom Swanda's like, how could you do that? It's not easy to find a man oktandayo. But Umam Noms is like, hi, mina vele all my life has never turned good. So I'm just protecting myself. But this Jafta guy shows up with Rebecca. He happens to be Rebecca's brother. Umam Noms is going to throw a fit when she finds out that she's been close with Uputika Rebecca, while she hates Rebecca with all her guts. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.